Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Nisri Nazara Salsabila with student number 233401082. I'm a student at Department of Economic Development, Faculty Economy and Business, University of Siliwangi. Here, I will present a PowerPoint regarding the result of the research project for the English Business Communication course entitled Food sales strategy is related to the dynamic of prices of basic food commodities. The following topic will be presented are, and let's start from background of research. The problem of rising food prices is one serious problem that Indonesians always experience every year. This matter very burdensome, especially for middle-income people down. An increase in the price of basic food ingredients is a change in the price of the main ingredients used in the process of making food or cooking. The increase in prices of basic food commodities is also an influence on the commodities economy. Thus, that most frequently experienced prices increases include rice, meat, vegetable, oil, and many other basic commodities. In anticipation of the increased price, the public or consumer can use substitute good or replacement. Next, for the purpose of research is the first to find out what factor causes the increase in price of basic food commodities. The second, to determine the effect of rising prices of basic food commodities. And the third, to find out what steps can be taken to overcome the increase in the price of basic food commodities. Factor cause the increase in price of basic food commodities. The first, high demand. If demand for certain basic food commodities rise sharply, this could increase price because supply will be limited. The second, limited availability. Factors such as bad weather or disruption in the supply chains can reduce the food production and availability, forcing prices to rise as demand remains. The third, trading policy. Government policies that impose traffic or tax on export or change in trade regulation can affect food price. For global market condition, factors in the global market such as rising currency exchange rate, economic crisis, or global demand can also influence food price at the local level. 5. Increased production costs. Increases in production costs, such as the price of energy, labor, or other input, can encourage producers to increase the selling price of food ingredients. And the last is unexpected external factor. Unexpected events such as natural disaster, political conflict, or unexpected global event can disrupt food supply and cause price spikes. The effect of rising price of basic food commodities. The increase in the price of the staple food will affect the selling price. The increase in material prices has an effect on selling price when the price of the basic food commodities has increased quite drastically. If the increase is still considered reasonable, then the stall owner will not increase the selling price. Steps taken to overcome the problem of rising price of basic food commodities. Most the consumer of these rice stall are students. Students often complain about the increase in selling prices. Therefore, sellers still set the usual selling price for the food. But there is reduction in some of the food ingredients that will be processed. The strategy used by rice stall traders to overcome the problem of rising prices is to replace ingredients whose prices are currently rising with ingredients whose prices tend to be cheaper. So, the profit that the stall owner gets is from cheaper basic food commodities. Solution to the problem of rising prices of basic food commodities. The first, changing food menu variants that are more cost efficient in the term of prices. The second, minimize the use of food staples which are currently increasing to reduce loss. And the third, adjust price more flexibility by adjusting prices gradually and measurably so that they can be rationed by consumer. And the last is conclusion. A fairly high increase in the price of basic food commodities will have an effect on sales price. If the price of basic commodities continues to increase, sellers will change the variant of food menu to menu that use cheaper price of basic ingredients. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.